In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can dropship from Walmart to eBay. I'm going to show you how you can handle returns, what happens when someone opens the keys, what you are going to do. I'm going to explain to you every single thing here. You just want to keep watching this video and make sure to drop a like on this video if you appreciate this video. Now, this is exactly what I do, guys, to find winning products and what I do to list the product on my eBay. Now, the first thing you want to do, guys, is you have to find your competitors on eBay. What I mean by that is you have to search for a random product on Walmart, not because we want to find that exact product on eBay. We just want to find people who are listing from Walmart, if you know what I mean. It will make sense in a few seconds. Now, first thing, guys, you want to search for a random product, for example, gaming desk, okay? Now, this is the gaming desk, okay? For example, this one. Now, I want to find people who are selling this exact product, okay? Or this one. I'm going to select, for example, this one. Now, I just want to find people who are selling this exact product. I'm going to copy the link. I'm going to copy the title of this item, and I'm going to search for it on eBay. Like I said, the reason we do this is we want to find if I find someone who is selling the exact same product on eBay, of course I'm going to list it, but I have to make sure that the product has at least 2 sales or 3 sales, before I can list it. I know that on Walmart it has 31 reviews, but it doesn't matter if you ask me if I'm going to list this or not. I am not going to list it based on how many sales it has on Walmart. I am going to list it based on how many sales it has on eBay. Because if customers on eBay, they don't care about this product, so why would I waste my time listing that product? This is the only secret, guys, for me to grow a very successful business. Like, I have done like $100,000 in sales doing this exact thing. I just find people who are selling the products on eBay and I just copy the title. I copy almost every single thing. You might say that like copying others will not make you successful, but that's the opposite. If you ask me about dropshipping on eBay, that's the opposite. All I do all day is copying others. So now, first, guys, you just want to find someone who is selling the exact product. Now, as you can see, this product and this product are the same. Click on it. Okay, they are the same. So if this product, for example, has 3 sales or 2 sales, I would like list the product. I will copy the link. Like, the only thing I copy from eBay seller is their title, because it's proven to work. Okay, this title is proven to work. So I copy the exact title, and everything else I copy it from Walmart, including the description. As you can see, the specifications. I copy almost every single thing from Walmart. The only thing I copy from eBay seller is the title. Now, if you ask me if I am going to list this, no, I am not going, because it's not proven to work. Okay. Also, this seller has 0 feedbacks. He is not successful. He's just like a beginner. He doesn't know what to do. Now, you just want to find someone else who is successful. For example, I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and this one has 26 feedback, and probably this one has a sale. No, it doesn't have any sale. Now, because this one has 26 feedback, I am going to click on the username of this store, and I am going to find what this guy is selling. Okay, because this one is dropshipping from Walmart. Of course, he is dropshipping from Walmart. If we can find the exact product, which is this one, if we can find it, that means he is a dropshipper from Walmart. Now, what we want to do, guys, we want to copy the products that he is selling. We want to see the most successful listings. You want to open his store, scroll down at the very bottom, click on see all. Okay, and click on see all, and as you can see, you want to scroll down a little bit and click on sold items. Okay, the reason why we want to click on sold items, we want to find the items that are selling. Okay, that works, that they get a sale. That's what we want. Click on the item, the first item. Now, after you do that, guys, what you need to do, guys, next, as you can see, this guy has sold this one. Okay, he has sold only one product. Okay, now if you can't find a product that has 3 sales, which is very easy, you can just keep finding products on Walmart and keep searching for competitors on eBay until you find a very successful store, and you can copy 10 products, 12 products from that exact store. That's what I do, guys. Now if you can do that, like if you don't have time, like even if like at least this product has one sale, okay, at least this product has one sale, yes, you can just list it if you want to get like if you are just getting started. But if you want to take this to the next level, always search for 2 to 3 sales, okay, in the item. If it doesn't, you will see here how many sales the item has. Like if you can see here 3 sales, then list it. If you don't see 3 sales, I wouldn't waste my time for me, I don't know. Now let's say that this product has 3 sales. Now you want to just copy the title of this item, go to Walmart, okay, and search for it, search for the price, so that you can see if it's profitable or not. As you can see, this is the exact product, okay. Now this one is selling for 299, this one is 380, so the profit margin is almost like $40 because eBay takes 30% if you are using eBay manage like payments, because eBay doesn't like the PayPal is like a lot of sellers now, they use eBay manage payments, they don't use PayPal anymore. So the percentage eBay takes is almost like 13%. Now if you find this product like you want to list it, like I said, if it doesn't have 3 sales and you want to list it, you want to get some sales, then there is nothing wrong with at least the product has to get 1 sale on eBay, okay. Now you want to start listing, you just want to copy the title, like I said, you can copy this title on eBay, okay, because it's proven to work, and then click sale in the top right. And for example, photos, go to Walmart and download these photos, right click and then click save image as, and do this for all the photos. And after that, guys, you want to start listing. Probably you know how to list, it's very easy and it's not something that is complicated. If you don't know how to list, just go to YouTube and search for how to list a product on eBay, and you will find a lot of different videos that will show you how you can do that. Let's assume that you know how to list. Now you want to copy the description from here, and if someone, for example, if you have sold an item and someone opened the keys, okay, like someone opened a dispute and you want to get your refund because the item is broken or anything like that, what you need to do, guys, it's very simple. A lot of people think this is a very complicated thing, but it's the most simple thing I've ever done, like with dropshipping business. You go to a Walmart, you open the keys too, like you open the keys on Walmart, click on my account, click my orders, and open the keys and tell the product is broken. If they ask you to ship the product back to their place, you just do the same thing. You tell the buyer on your eBay store that you have to ship it to that place, to the address, and then they can get a refund. If they don't ship it, they are not going to get a refund from eBay. And a lot of buyers, they don't really when they open a keys, just go to Walmart, open a keys, okay, and most of the time you get your refund without even shipping the item to the seller on Walmart. You get your money back without shipping the item, which that's what I do, guys, most of the time. If someone opens a keys, which it doesn't happen always, just open, if someone opens a keys, just refund them. You know, you are not going to lose a lot of money. If you lose, for example, $10, you will make more than that tomorrow or in the same day, and it's just a part of business. If you don't want to lose that $10, like I said, you just want to go to Walmart and open the keys, okay? You are a middleman, like they say. Like you just open the keys on Walmart, and that's all, guys. Like it's easy. It's not something complicated. Don't even think about this. Just get started. Don't even think about these like bullshit things, because they don't matter. Yeah, like you just have to start this business, and everything else will be so easy. If you are just thinking about what's going to happen, what I'm going to do, you are not going to start, and you are going to sit there thinking. I would suggest, guys, starting and the exact thing I showed you. Find the product that has 3 sales and start listing, and don't overthink things too much. Okay, if this video helped you, I would highly appreciate if you can leave a like on this video. See you guys in the next video.